So, ma'am, this is our group two. Good afternoon, all. This is our group two. We are pleased to present our presentation. Today's presentation is about OYO rooms, hotels, and homes. So, first, I am gonna introduce myself and my team members. My name is Ambuj Mishra, and I have four team members: Darshita, Srishti, Shivani, and Kajal Rai. So, ma'am, is
कृष्ण कृष्ण वन मिनट बेटा, कृष्णा गुप्ता माइक म्यूट करो बेटा अपना। कृष्णा गुप्ता।
The case study is all about the Indian hospitality startup Oyo Hostel and Homes. It has new emerged as the world's third largest hotel chain, has surpassed several traditional and well-established hospitality brands Oyo Assist Management and later on. Content are in our presentation is the case study, brief history, strategies, the problem issues and analysis. Ritesh Agrawal, founder of OYO, born on 16 November 1993, current age is 27, from Bisam, Kotak, Raigada, Odisha, and he's CEO and founder of OYO. Net worth is US dollar 1.1 billion, December 2020. Sir, to introduction of OYO. The journey from Oracle to Oyo and starting with only one hotel, now Oyo is the third largest hotel chains in the world. It's totally based on the idea of providing good quality rooms with all the basic services with an affordable price. Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are. Don't worry. Go ahead.
So, sir, introduction of Oyo. What is Oyo? Oyo Rooms, also known as Oyo Hotels and Homes, is an Indian hospitality chain, and area served by Oyo is Asia, Europe, America, and more than 80 countries are involved in Oyo. Oyo acquires rooms at a very high discount so they can provide better facilities at cheaper rates. Customer get a better booking experience, brand assurance, quality rooms, and all the basic facilities at cheaper rate. So this is the success strategy of Oyo. And
Ambuj, your
now,
slides are not moving. The slide is still stuck on the first one only.
yes, ma'am, I'm in fifth. This is fifth slide, ma'am. The sixth slide is strategy slide. Srishti will continue from this, ma'am. My part is the Indian hotel and industries, so I continue from that.
ओके, माय एजेंडा इज कि वो पीपीटी साथ साथ शिफ्ट करते चलो, जो भी प्रेजेंट कर रहा है वो उसकी जिम्मेदारी है कि स्पीकर के साथ साथ शिफ्ट करता चले उसको।
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, about the Indian hotel industry, India hotel industry boosting up from 2016. This growth is driven by rise in disposable income of India's middle class population and proliferation of low cost airlines. People used to travel more and used to book rooms online more. People traveling for leisure, business, and pilgrimage. Most of the demand was in the budget room segment. 4 million hotel rooms in India, 96% were small, unbranded rooms. People were increasingly opting to book hotel rooms through internet by growing digital payments. Key players in this are new age players take advantage of technology to manage demand and supply. Now I shift to Srishti. Please, Srishti.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Shrishti Dubolia. Thank you so much, Ambuj, for giving me brief introduction about the case study and the subject. I hope I'm clearly audible.
Yes, Rishi.
Okay. So now I would like to continue our presentation talking about the next topic, that is entrepreneurs beginning, the arrival and the launch of Oyo. But before understanding how the big thing became as big as it is today, it's essential to know the evolution inside the entrepreneurs, the Ritesh Agrawal. And even before that, it is a must to know that how a startup came into existence. Whenever one came across a problem, there may be two types of approaches. Number one, first problem is in the way, may be ignored or bypassed and let the issue remain as it was to be faced by others. Second one, the other side to try solve the issue for yourself and thus and then move on. The third thing is the entrepreneurial approach, which leads a person to look at the situation as a layer picture, understand it as a massive problem, and find a solution which actually makes a difference. Ambuj, please show the next slide. When the idea is backed up by a good financial support, it becomes a venture with a unique product and service. And this action of setting something in a motion is a startup. Some of which became a masterpiece like Mr. Ritesh Agarwal's Oyo. Ambuj, please show the next slide. Ma'am, give me a second. Slide is not visible on my screen.
Ma'am, is slide is visible? Audible?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, sir.
Anuj, please mute your mic.
Okay, sir.
After this, with the mission of creating great living spaces for a common man, Ambuj, the slide is not visible. Okay. So Mr. Ritesh Agarwal moved ahead with the mission of creating great living spaces for a common man. He combined the two things, that is great living spaces and the common man. Both are two different things and cannot be combined. And this is a bit difficult, but somehow he managed to do so. In the very beginning of 2012, Oracle Company was set up by Mr. Ritesh Agarwal to solve the issue, and this model of Oracle stay was inspired by Airbnb. That is an international company. In this model, Ritesh Agarwal focused. Um, Ritesh Agarwal focused on the Airbnb's model, that is the homestay model, and there he found out various problems, that it is not convenient for the Indian residents. And hello, am I audible? Ambuj,
Yes,
please
yes,
go the
you're
next slide.
audible, Srishti. Please go ahead.
Ambuj, please the next one. Ambuj, please show the next slide. Problem and drawbacks in Oracle. Exactly. So here, as we can see, Oracle model was highly expensive, ineffective, and there were certain problems in the standardization and the lack of predictability. For making up these problems or drawbacks in the Oracle model, he, while returning from the Thiel Fellowship to India, he then started. Ambuj, the slide is not visible. After realizing all the drawbacks in the Oracle model, then he got an idea to work upon the model, which is it's being highly expensive and not efficient. He thought to scale up the model with the help of certain technologies, and this is how Oyo was launched. That is Oyo, giving the full form on your own. And all these things resulted the launch of Oyo in higher revenue, repeated customer, efficient operation, and the high class CRM. Oyo aimed to build trustworthy brand, standardizing the Indian hotel systems, and to give the synonym of reliable, expensive, chain system, scaled up the model with technology. In May 2013, Ritesh Agrawal pivoted Oracle to Oyo and filled the gap created by unreliability. As the result, the revenue was higher, customers were repeated, operations were operating in an efficient manner, and the CRM was also upgraded. Thank you. Now I would like to pass on the topic to Shivani.
Thank you, Srishti. I am Shivani Srivastav. Now I will discuss about the strategies of OYO. So the first strategy was asset light strategy. Next slide, please. So in the beginning, as we know that everyone is focused on the branded hotels, which is very costly as well as common man can't afford that. So Ritesh Agrawal decided to choose those hotels which is not too large or near or which is nearby hotels, malls, railway station, airports, or corporate hubs. Next slide. And relativity of customer experience. Ritesh Agrawal, Easy Hotel Research Easy Hotel Research सर्च के लिए उसने इजीली अवेलेबल करवाया ओयो को, कहीं मतलब एडवर्टाइजमेंट बहुत सारे दिए और फेसबुक पेज बनवाया और बहुत ऐसी प्लेसेस चूज करी जिसमें लोग बहुत इजीली रिसर्च कर सके.
Shivani, we will appreciate if you speak in English. Continue speaking in English. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Please. It might be difficult for you, but get into the habit, please.
Okay, sir. Then easy booking policy. So for easy booking, he combined he launched an app which is only three button exists. So people can easily book hotel or research online on your own. Easy check-in. The check-in was very easy in OYO hotels and easy checkout and world-class experience. So world-class experience. He renovated the hotels in very comfortable and very comfortable and as common man afford or as they want. Then and to responsibility for customer experience. Next slide. Predictability will remain repeatability. Then उन्होंने electricity, water, fan, AC, Wi-Fi speed, room cleaning and bed sheet सब पे focus. They focus on everything, or for that they appoint a custom manager who checked that the room that OYO hotels room are good for customer or not. Then low budget room, common standard room, common processes, repeatability. Then क्योंकि when customer enjoy the facility, then they will repeat they book OYO again. Otherwise, they don't come. Next slide. Technology. When Ritesh Agrawal thinks that the technology is now developing so much, so he have to provide. If he have to provide good services, so he have to join a better technology or sorry,
All right,
ma'am.
Srishti, now
Now,
I would like to further.
now I would like
take.
to call Darshita. Sorry.
First of all, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Darshita Patel, and now I'll further
Big
take on the
master.
strategies. Sorry. Okay. So the fourth point is technology for speed and scale. That is customer review analysis. That it means that whenever the customer took an opportunity and to interact with the technology, with the speeding technology, with the OYO, Ambuj, please, the last slide, please. Okay, so they actually took the customer reviews very seriously and they actually did the analysis of the reviews. Next slide, please. Okay, so the next also it is that OYO already always had that goal that not to waste the customer's time and to give them a quick action that is in within 3 clicks, 5 seconds, your room will be booked so that customers don't have to struggle so much. And with that with that no struggling of the OYO app, their experience OYO wanted to actually enhance the experience of the customers, and with that customer experience they worked on their operational capability, and with that operational capability they made their OYO more efficient for the customers. Next slide, please. Focus team for acquisition and expansion means that OYO from the very beginning they focused on their team acquisition. That is, they wanted to expand their team more and more with more trained staff. Next. Ambuj, next slide, please. Also, they not only expanded their teamwork. Last slide, please. Ambuj, last slide, please. Yes. Last slide, please. Yes. That map one, please. Yes. So OYO not only expanded their team, but they already also expanded their worldwide OYO, because the more they will expand internationally, they will expand. They want a team, a very good team, to work on it. Next, please. Yeah. So that is focused team for acquisition expansion. Also, that they're not only focused on the big hotels or the big budget or the mid scale budget hotels. They also focused from top, or maybe we can say a good quality budget hotels to even small scale budgets, so that everybody could afford it. Next, please. Next comes feedback to feed forward. They have a feedback driven strategy factory. That is, we have seen that whenever we go to a place, they give us a feedback form or a review or a rating, which is actually helpful for the company. Same goes with the OYO, that whenever we experience a OYO experience, or whenever some customer book an OYO room, so they actually work upon it very seriously, that whatever the feedback is coming to us, we have to work on it, if it is good or even if it is bad. Next, please. Next is feedback to feed forward, which means that is, if hotel owners even refuse sometimes to customers, so customers do give the feedback. So OYO took it very seriously, that it can even delist the hotels which are not up to the mark. Next, please. Next comes human element. For example, whenever we experience something, so we communicate it to our other friends, not by advertisement or something, but we communicate it directly, like in a communication. So that also increased their presence of Oyo in India. Next. Next is lowest attrition with continuous, that is skill, will, hard work, and management skills and leadership skills. They worked upon all of these with their team management and with all the analysis. Next, please. Next also, they've actually focused about the trained staff as well, that they used to and they still conduct training sessions for their staff members so that they can provide the best possible service to their customers so that they cannot refuse the customer. Next, please. Next comes like Airbnb. Airbnb is it actually owns the apartment. Like it actually gives rentals to apartment, and there is no predictability that whether the customer will come again or not, and there is not such proper verification of the customers as well. Whereas on the other hand, Oyo has full verification of the customer, that is your Aadhaar card, your passport size, your signature, everything is well known and well recorded, and that is trained manpower, means that the staff which Oyo is providing is trained enough, which I explained in the last slide, and high technology, which is obviously that they have their own website, their own app, and even they have 24/7 customer service as well. Next slide. Next slide, please. All right. So after this, the problems and the issues will be carried forward by Kajal Rai. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kajal Rai, and as my fellows stated that starting in Oyo is a very long process. Like Mr. Ritesh Agarwal traveled from Oraval to Oyo, but it also created some of the problems, and it also take him lots of courage to convert Oraval to Oyo. First. First, we talk about all the problems which he faced from converting Oraval to Oyo. Oraval is a very success if Oraval is going to be very success if people have started to have not out a problem of trust issues, like people travel from one place to another place. They don't have that much of budget to travel that places where their relatives are not stayed, because they think that we have not enough budget to book a hotel. So Oraval started to think, let's provide a facility to people to rent apartments on their vacations. But people didn't trust on Oraval, because they think that whatever Oraval shows is not going to what we're gonna receive. So, but Mr. Ritesh Agarwal thinks beyond Oraval and transferred Oraval to Oyo. Amber's next slide, please. Okay. So with this, people Oyo also questions about many of the things. Which first question is called Oyo successful scale up in the form of hotel establishment. First, Oyo established itself as a Oyo app with a partnership, with doing a partnership with numerous of hotels. But the problem faced by their Oyo, the hotels which have the partnership with Oyo doesn't reach the standards of Oyo. That's why Oyo think of establishing their own hotel scale up, and that's why next comes whether it's going to be successful or not. Yes, it's going to be successful, because we guess there is lots of problems faced by that. People going to trust or not, people going to think that it's low budget, maybe it's not that even 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs, 70 lakhs, 80 lakhs, 90 lakhs, 100 lakhs, 200 lakhs, 300 lakhs, 400 lakhs, 500 lakhs, not secure, maybe not clean during this COVID. People so Oyo giving to but Oyo ratings. Oyo gained a brand name with the partnership of with numerous hotels, and that's have an advantage to Oyo to gain a brand name with this and provide facilities and all the luxuries in the low budget to the people, to the low middle class plus on which Oyo focuses. Next question arrives that Oyo call the government पीछे कर बस backslide, no need to change. Next question arrives. Could the competencies it had developed as a technology player successfully come onto the play under the new hoteliers and O models? So first of all, we are going to discuss what is O model. That is Oyo Asset Management. Oyo Asset Management is a new project of Oyo in which Mr. Ritesh Agarwal is providing hotel facilities in your very neighborhood, in your friendly neighborhood, where you can easily find out hotel stays or room stays, apartment stays in a very low budget, and we can even visit first so that you can look out what Oyo is providing to you. And about the technology, so if we focus on the problems created by if we focus on the problems and try to overcome it, about the cleanliness, about the trust of the people, if we gain the trust, so it's obviously going to be success. About next slide. Now about the SWOT analysis. The strength of the Oyo is a standardization. As we said, the Oyo app doesn't got succeeded because the numerous hotels doesn't reach the standard of Oyo. That's why it's Oyo always have its strength as standardization, ever growing network. It's Oyo availability in all over the countries and out of the country is also available in more than 80 plus countries. So it's and it's growing on more than this. So it's also gaining a strength because the foreigners comes in India and they know the Oyo name. So in India they also search for Oyo, and if Indian going to out of the country, they're going to search for the same brand Oyo name in out of the country as well. Spirit of innovation. As Mr. Ritesh Agarwal is a very young person, so it's also a benefit of Oyo that young minds create many of the opportunities and many of the creativities in the demand. So that's why we can say that there is a lots of scope of innovation. Next is young and highly spirited leaders. As we know, Mr. Ritesh Agarwal started at very young age. So it's a very long journey for him, and the young spirits has many dreams and high energies to create lots of opportunities. Also, subsidizing hotel stays. Numerous of hotels are there, but being a Oyo brand, people know most about the Oyo brands. That's because hotel come into Oyo hotel come into existence in more of the come into existence in people view. Next slide, please. Next slide. About its weakness. So basically, like I have discussed earlier about the strategy of co-branding, like Oyo has started with their partnership with numerous of hotels. So if any of the hotel people, any of the customer are facing any of problems regarding the partners of hotels, So they are claiming on Oyo brand because they think because they are coming to those hotels by reading the name of Oyo brand, but the problems are created by the hotels. So it's called being a weakness for Oyo. Next is poor service quality. The service quality, as I mentioned before, that because of low budget, many people think that we are going to serve that Oyo going to serve low quality services. So it's also a weakness for us. Tight margins about this. That many of the people, for every person, we have same ratings. Whether it's not fluctuating, like not decreasing, not decreasing. Next slide, please. Okay. Oyo has lots of opportunities for growing demand for aggregates. For example, growing demand of aggregates. As I earlier mentioned, that Oyo is growing in our country plus also 80 plus of countries. So basically, everybody going earning the name and knowing the name of Oyo brand, and because of this, its demand also increasing. Next is focus on budget accommodation. Oyo mainly focus on budget regarding things, and its main focus is low budget maintenance, so that middle class people who don't want to invest in more of the stays and wanted to enjoy their vacations or business trips. So it provides a facility to them that it provides low budget to them for their stays. Next is a surge in the number of business traveling in emerging economics. As as I mentioned, that in economics, many people likes to travel a lot, including me also. But the problem is we travel only there where our relatives stays, because we don't want to invest on most of the most on our stays. So and similarly, the same problem arrives with the business travelers, that they want to mostly concentrate on their business travel, that whatever they wanted to do. But whenever they focus on the states, they all they sorry they confuse that whenever like for middle class people. Yes,
काजल
yes, sir.
आराम से रिलैक्स, घबराए हुए क्यों हो?
So,
बिल्कुल रिलैक्स करो, नहीं नर्वस होने की घबराने की कोई जरूरत नहीं। टेक
Yes,
योर
sir.
ओन टाइम, आराम से करो, कोई बाहर से थोड़ी एक्सटर्नल नहीं है बेटा। मैम और
Yes,
सुजॉय सर यहीं पर ही हैं, फैमिली मेंबर, आराम से बिल्कुल रिलैक्स, पानी पियो तो फिर स्टार्ट करो। शाबाश, यू आर डूइंग वेरी वेल, शाबाश।
okay. So low middle class people travel, but sometimes the company doesn't afford their traveling. So their people confused that whether they concentrate on their stays or their business meetings, whether so Oyo given an opportunity to them on their stays by maintaining its low budget. Next slide, please, Sanjay. Ambush, next slide. Yeah, thank you. About threats, that there are many competitions in Oyo. For example, GoIbibo, Yatra.com, Make My Trips. There are many competitions. Trivago is one of them. So, Trivago is the one who provides same facilities regarding Oyo. But now Oyo is developing in its fields, so there are many competitions in hotels industry also. So yeah, it's one of the biggest threat on Oyo. Next is growing concern about safety. As we can say, this is low budget, so many people think that it's not safe for our stays, and maybe there are many of the things which are not safe. As you know, that this is a COVID threat, so many people think that there is not hygienic rooms provided in OYO room, but it's not true. But it's not true, but it's also a threat for us. So yeah, and lastly, about the recommendations. So according to me, according to our group, the recommendation for the OYO groups of industries I like to give is first that OYO needs to first concern about the hygienic, and OYO also provides every type of rooms. For example, if anybody of upper middle class or richer classes also wanted to stay by spending a lot more, so OYO need to provide that facilities also. So with this, the group second, Darshita Patel, Kajal Rai, Ambuj Mishra, Srishti and Shivani Srivastav like to thank all of you to listen us patiently, and with this, thank you all of you.